Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to record Excel macros. To begin, let's open up Excel. Click on the Start button. Go to All Programs. Choose Microsoft Office. Let's select Excel. Now, to begin recording our macro, let's go to the View tab. Under the Macros area, click on Macros and say Record Macro. That brings up your new macro screen. Let's name this macro, my macro. Let's give it a shortcut key. Let's say Control+K and press OK. Now what it's currently doing is recording everything that we do within Excel so that it can be easily redone when we run the macro. So let's enter some data. Let's format this text. That has been recorded by our macro. To stop, let's go back to the View tab, select Macros, and say Stop Recording. Our macro has just been created. To run the macro, let's press our shortcut key, which was Control+K. As you can see, our macro has just been rerun. Let me delete this data and run it again to show you that it enters the data correctly. Say Control+K. That data has just been put in. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to record macros in Excel.